Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'll talk about a hidden feature in Photoshop. Create from image. This is a really good feature. Maybe you don't know about it. At first, if you're new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and not only the subscribe button, click on the bell icon also. So let's get started. Create from image. Through this feature, you can easily create pattern from any kind of image. You just need a sample image and then Photoshop will present you a pattern. Just simple, you don't need to do anything, just need a simple sample image. Photoshop will do the rest. And not only the patterns, you can also create gradient, vector from image, and also color swatches, means color palettes. It's really a easy way to get this kind of feature and really amazing. I have just fallen in love with these features of Photoshop. So let's see. At first, you need to open the libraries panel, and where you can find it, go to the window menu and select libraries here. Then you will find this here, and I'm using this image. You can use any image, any sample image. Just then click on this little plus icon and select here create from image, and let's see the magic. And look at this, by default pattern is selected, and look at this, it's already give you a great pattern, but you have control definitely. So on the top menu, you can get the pattern shape. You can select the pattern shape from here, what kind of shape you want, and then the color mode. You can change the color mode to black and white. I don't think it's a good idea. And then scale, you can select mainly it. Okay, let's talk about this thumbnail first. Look at this triangle here. It gives you the idea of main area from where the pattern is made. Look at this. And now by the scale slider, you can zoom in and zoom out, and look at this, it creates a different pattern. I just love this. And you can also rotate it. Look at this, and again you can change the pattern shape, and look at this, which is suitable for you. I just love every pattern. It's really great. I've fallen in love with this picture. Look at this, how amazing it is. It's really great. So okay, now I am selecting this, and after everything is okay, then select to save to CC library, and now click on the save to CC libraries, and you can see here a pattern. And now close it, and let's see how we can use it. So click on this pattern, drag and release it here, and look at this, this is your pattern. And double click on this, and look at this, and since the A scale around 25%, that's okay. And look at this, it's really great. So now I can use my patterns to design or something else, and you can also use this pattern on Illustrator. So it's a really useful feature in Photoshop. And now we'll see the vector option. Let's open the second image, and this is just a handwritten picture. And again go to the libraries, and now click here create from image, and look at this, it's by default selected in pattern. And look at this, I love this pattern also. And now I'll show you the shapes option. So go to the shapes, and now you can see just a black and a white picture. Mainly the white portion contains nothing, it's a blank, and the black portion is your shape, is your vector. So from here you can control your detail, and I definitely don't want this, so bring it to the around 65% is good, and you can also invert it, but this is a very ugly. And select the smooth on save, because I don't want this kind of distortion on the edge, so it's very useful. So enable the smooth on save option. And if you want to remove from the canvas anything, then just click on the eraser button and just erase it. So I don't think I need to use this eraser tool, so I am click save to CC library. And close it, and look at this. Look at this. I'm hiding this layer, and look at this. You just got a vector of your image. Look at this. I'm increasing the size, and I'm giving a background layer. Sorry, just white. And look at this. Look at the edges. It's really great. You can use this vector in Illustrator. It's really a great feature. I'm again saying this. And now we'll talk about the color swatches and gradients. So let's go back to the first image and go back to the libraries. Click on this plus icon and select create from image. And then come into this color themes, and look at this. This is magic, I think. Look at this. It's already create a color swatches. You can drag this and select any color from your image. It will give the exact color. Look at this. And you can create swatches from here, and you can select color from here too. It's really great. Look at this. And you can save it. Again, save to the CC library, and look at this. The color is saved. And look at this. If you select this color and look at this, your foreground color is changed. So you can make color swatches or color palette from your image and use it in your picture. Look at this. So now we'll go back to the gradient. Again, create from image and select gradients option here. And look at this, it's already creates a gradient. And come back to this gradients option. Look, there is 3. That means your gradients will contain 3 points. You can change it. You can drag this and increase your gradient stops, and I'm giving 2, and you can change color like this. Look at this. Look at this. You can create a really cool gradient from your picture, just like this. You can increase gradient stop just like this. So I am giving 2. Okay, I'm choosing a gradient like this. So again, click save to CC libraries and close it. And look at this, your gradient is made. And now let's see how can we save this gradient and use it. So then right click on the gradient and select create gradient preset, and you can give a name for this. I am select photo, and now press OK. It's done. Then go to the gradient map option and come back to this, and look at this, your gradient. Look at this photo, and it's really great and it's really easy to use. So click OK, and I'm reversing this. Okay, don't do this. And look at this, it's done. You can use gradient, and look at this. So this is a very useful features in Photoshop, and I'm loving it. If you like this video, if you learned something new, then like the video, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.